understanding the phrase, in a train, in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a commonly used English phrase, in a train. Whether you're traveling, reading, or just curious about English prepositions, this video will clarify how and when to use this phrase correctly. So, let's get on track and start learning. In a train refers to being inside a train, the mode of transport that runs on railway tracks. This phrase is used to describe the location of a person or object. It's a simple prepositional phrase that combines in to denote enclosed space and train as the space being referred to. Example, she spent her journey in a train reading a book. The use of in for transportation is specific to certain types of vehicles and situations. We use in for cars, taxis, and trains, where the space is enclosed, and you can sit down without holding on to stand steady. Contrast this with on a bike or on a horse, because you sit astride them. On a plane or on a ship, because these are large vehicles where you can walk around. In a train is the right phrase to use when focusing on the experience inside the train or conveying that someone is a passenger on a train. Examples: I met an interesting person in a train to Berlin. There is a dining car in a train for passengers to eat. However, when talking about the action of boarding or alighting, we switch to on. For example, she got on the train just in time. They jumped off the train as it pulled into the station. Different English-speaking regions may have slight variations in usage. For example, in British English, on the train is more commonly used to describe being a passenger on a train, whereas in a train might occasionally be used to emphasize being inside the train carriage itself. That's a wrap on our journey with the phrase, in a train. I hope this video has been an informative ticket to understanding English prepositions better. Remember, the prepositions we use are like the tracks for our conversations. They guide our listeners in following our thoughts. Thanks for watching, and be sure to practice using in a train next time you're discussing travel. Safe travels on your English learning journey.